In the sanitary ware industry, true value is often forged in the depth of time. LUDE Sanitary Ware was founded on a core belief. Rather than chasing fleeting trends, we focus on tempering quality through time. Established in 2007 in Hangzhou, Ningbo, we have integrated our understanding of quality and our pursuit of comfort into the functional aesthetics of every product. As a modern enterprise integrating design, R&D, and manufacturing, we are equipped with automated production lines and intelligent warehousing systems. Through flexible production scheduling and efficient supply chain management, we precisely meet diverse needs, ranging from small batch customization to large-scale procurement, ensuring on-time delivery for every order. Our professional international trade team provides one-stop support, from product selection to logistics solutions, making global procurement convenient and reliable. From the arc design of the overhead shower to the switching of water flow modes, detail is the starting point of quality. We strictly adhere to industry norms and implement full process control via the ISO 9001 quality management system, embedding standardized operations into every procedure. Furthermore, by aligning with testing standards across different markets, we enforce over 20 quality inspection checkpoints from raw material entry to finished goods dispatch. This ensures every product not only stands the test of time, but also meets the specific expectations of our clients. Beyond manufacturing lies a deep dialogue between design and user needs. We select eco-friendly materials and blend minimalist design languages, making safety and utility the inherent baseline of the user experience. Supported by multiple national patents and international certifications, and with customer trust spanning from Europe and the US to Southeast Asia, we firmly believe that true quality is found in the gentle touch of water on skin and in the smooth switching of every mode. LUDE Sanitary Ware, crafting life with ingenuity. Dedicating to the future with focus, we look forward to witnessing the warmth of life with you.